Welcome to Retailware point of sale system. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to transact a normal transaction using our very own Retailware point of sale system and more of its functionalities. Here is our step-by-step procedure. First, we have to log into the system using our assigned user ID and then our password. Once you're logged in and before you can process sales transactions, first the cashier should enter the opening cash drawer amount, also known as change fund. This way, store operations can accurately track your cash flow throughout the day. So as of now, I'm going to input 5,000 as my change fund. Are you sure? Yes? Change fund has been recorded. Okay. After that, we can now proceed on performing sales transactions. First, you can either scan the items to input it in the transaction screen, or you can manually input the items in the upper text box, like what I'm going to do just now. For example, so if ever the item is more than one, all you have to do is press F1. For example, Paulinament is 15 pieces, so I'm going to press F1, then 15, input the quantity, then enter. Then you can either scan or manually input the item. So the item code of POW liniment is 1364. So enter. And as you'll notice, the quantity of POW liniment is already 15 pieces. So let's try another one. So for example, a liver tab is also 15 pieces. So again, let's click F1 and then input the desired quantity, which is 15, enter, and then the item code. The item code of a liver tab is 0001, and then enter. And then there it is. POW liniment and a liver tab is already 15 pieces. And if ever you wanted to look for the description of an item, all you have to do is position the cursor in the lower text box here, then input the description of an item. For example, I'm going to look for amoxicillin. There, I already saw it. So all I have to do is press tab to toggle the item and then enter. So I'm going to input 20 pieces. So enter. So there it is. Or if ever, I can also input, if ever this one is automatically 1. The quantity is already 1. Even though I didn't input the quantity, it is automatically, the quantity is 1. So that's it. Just repeat the same procedure if needed. So after that, when everything is finished, all you have to do is hit F12 or simply click the tender button. So here you can choose whether it's cash, credit card, or receivables. Or just simply press pay exact amount or Alt E if it is exact. But as of now, I'm going to choose cash. So all you have to do is arrow down and then cash. I'm going to pay 2,000 pesos. Enter. As you'll notice, it appears that the change is 235.75 pesos. So all you have to do is click OK or Alt O for the shortcut key. So I'm going to click OK. And it will print a receipt. So, okay, that's it. Now you can proceed to the next transaction.